Yes. This was Collège Boreal, home away from home for the night. One thing I noticed here in Sudbury, railroad crossings everywhere. There's railroads in every direction. Yeah, Et voici un autre passage à niveau. Je viens de trouver le nom. Des passages à niveau. Oh wow. Ça me revient. So let's go see. What we came to see. Canada's Big Nickel. It weighs nearly 13,000 kilograms. It is 9 meters in diameter and roughly almost 64.5 million times the size of a regular piece. Destination. Oui, c'est ici. Woohoo! This place. This is very large. I've been walking for a good 15 minutes now. And I'm not going slow. To my eye, that looks more like a donkey or a camel? A camel? But it has someone riding him. It might actually be a camel, yes. I thought it was a dragon at a distance, but I'll go with a camel.
It's not uncommon to see numerous tents and boats scattered along the shoreline while their occupants dive from the channel's cliffs, fish the black bass, or simply just walk the shoreline picking blueberries and taking pictures.
We are in Marrakech. Nous sommes à Marrakech.